Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled on a beautifully maintained one-third acre lot and located at New Acres Drive in Brumalia, Mandeville. This impressive property offers the perfect blend of comfort, space, and convenience. The main house features five generously sized bedrooms and six bathrooms, providing ample room for large families or those who love to entertain. Enjoy relaxed mornings and breezy evening on two expansive verandas or gather in the inviting living room for quality time with loved ones. This property includes a kitchen and kitchen dining area, ideal for casual meals and conversation. For more formal occasions, you will appreciate both a formal and an informal dining room. Additional features of the main house include a utility room and two-car garage for added convenience. Also included on the property is a separate two-bedroom, two-bathroom flat, perfect for extended family, guest, or rental income. Situated in a central location close to a hospital and supermarket, this home is ideal for families or professionals looking for accessibility without compromising on space or privacy. Water tank is also installed on the property, ensuring reliable water supply. Don't miss this rare opportunity. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is.
The asking price for this house is Jamaican 53 million, US 335.9 thousand, Canadian 480.8 thousand, Euro 308.5 thousand, or £261,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.